So in this video, you'll learn how to install an always on display on your Samsung Galaxy phone. If you find that you want to customize your always on display, installing a pack can always be a useful thing. Now, normally if you change the entire theme of your device, you will also get an always on display that will automatically be applied. However, there's times where you want to choose your own custom always on display, and I'll be showing you how you can install it and apply it so that you can use it on your device. So the first step is to simply ensure that you've navigated to the Galaxy Theme Store. So what you're going to do is just open the Settings app, and then under Settings, you want to scroll and select the option Themes. Alternatively, you can long press on an empty space on your home screen, and then in editing mode, you want to tap on Themes. Once you're in the Galaxy Theme Store, you then want to navigate to Always On Displays, and then you should see all the always on displays that are available for you to download and use on your device. So you can scroll and select one that you'd prefer to use. If you tap on one, you can see how it looks like in the preview. And if you like how it looks like, you can always choose to select apply, or you can, download, or you can go back and until you find one that suits your preferences. Once you've found one that suits your preferences and you like how it looks like in the preview, you're then going to tap on download. Wait for the always on display to be downloaded onto your device. And then once it's been downloaded, you're going to tap on apply. Now, whenever you're installing and setting up an always on display on your phone, you'll notice that you're prompted to choose between two options. You have the clock and image, which if you see how it looks like in the preview, that's how it's going to look like. Then you have image only. Again, the preview will show you how it would look like. So it's up to you to decide which one you'd prefer to use whenever it comes to your always on display. Bear in mind that you can always come back and change it later if you actually find you don't mind the other one. Once you've made your choice, just tap on done to save the changes. So now, whenever you go to activate the always on display of your phone, you should see it's been successfully installed and applied. So now you can enjoy your new always on display on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments about this process that you would like answered, feel free to leave them down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.